Welcome to Beautyistic, where we get straight to the heart of what works and what doesn't in the beauty world. Today, we're talking about a product designed for anyone who's invested in maintaining vibrant, healthy color-treated hair, the Biolage Color Last Conditioner. This conditioner promises to preserve your salon color, hydrate your hair, and add shine while detangling and smoothing your strands. It's a must-have for many with chemically treated hair, but does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. Biolage Color Last Conditioner is formulated with a low pH to help preserve the vibrancy of color-treated hair, offering much-needed hydration without the use of parabens. This vegan-friendly formula is also designed to smooth and detangle hair, adding shine along the way. It's ideal for anyone looking to extend the life of their color while keeping hair healthy and manageable. One of the key ingredients focuses on nourishing the strands, making it particularly useful for those who feel their hair looks dull or dry after coloring. When I first used this conditioner, I immediately noticed how easy it was to apply. The texture is creamy, not too thick, and it distributed evenly throughout my hair. The scent is fresh, but not overwhelming, and it doesn't linger too long. I left it on for a few minutes as per the directions, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt incredibly soft. As for real-world testing, I tried it in several conditions: after a gym session, on days when I've used heat styling tools, and after a long day of outdoor exposure. Every time, the conditioner worked well to restore moisture and smoothness, making it easier to comb through my wet hair without tugging. It definitely did its job of detangling, and my hair felt shiny, but not weighed down. Now let's talk about the pros. First, I love how lightweight this conditioner feels, even after leaving it in for a few minutes. My hair didn't feel greasy, and it still had that soft, voluminous feel I look for after washing. The shine it adds is subtle, but it enhances the color without making my hair look too glossy or artificial. And of course, the fact that it's vegan and free from parabens makes it feel like a healthier choice for my hair. Plus, it's easy to find, and a little goes a long way. On the flip side, the downside here might be the price. Biolage is often marketed as a premium product, and while it delivers good results, some might find it a bit more expensive compared to other color-protecting conditioners in the market. Additionally, while the low pH helps protect color, it might not be hydrating enough for those with very dry or coarse hair. If you're someone who needs extra moisture, this might not be your one-stop shop. When it comes to value for money, I think it's worth the splurge, especially if you're someone who values keeping your color vibrant longer. You're paying for a product that's designed to do just that, and it delivers on its promise. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives like the OGX Color Protecting Shampoo and Conditioner, which also do a solid job of maintaining color without the hefty price tag. The packaging is simple and functional, but like most beauty products, the design can vary a bit. It's nothing to write home about, but I don't mind. It's the product inside that counts. If you're someone who's looking for a conditioner that really focuses on preserving your color while also nourishing the hair, this could be an excellent fit. One last thing to consider is longevity. I've been using this conditioner for a few weeks now, and it has held up well. My color hasn't faded as quickly, and my hair still feels hydrated. If you plan to use it daily, it should last a while, depending on how much product you typically use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum it up, Biolage Color Last Conditioner does live up to its claims. It works to hydrate, detangle, and preserve your color-treated hair, leaving it shiny and smooth. While it may not be the most hydrating for extremely dry hair, it's a great option for those looking to maintain vibrant, healthy color. Whether it's worth the price depends on how much you prioritize color preservation and overall hair health. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And if you're looking to grab it for yourself, the link is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.